it going? I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome for those who are new and just stumbling upon. I thought today I came up with like this really fun concept. I had this random idea of going into the thrift store and picking out like an outfit or a cool like clothing piece and creating an art piece based on, you know, what I get inspired by, whether that be the colors, texture, patterns, that kind of thing. So I'm actually really excited because I'm going to be heading over to Salvation Army thrift store to cruise around and see what I can find. And they are so kind enough to sponsor today's video, and I am actually joining their Earth Loves Thrift campaign for this entire month of April. And you guys know sustainability is very important to me, as well as where I get my clothes from is also really important. I don't like to waste. I try to do the best that I can to not waste, and I also take the time to learn about where things come from, where my clothes come from, and just to educate myself more, just so I have a better understanding, because this does impact the world that we live in. But essentially, Earth Loves Thrift campaign, this year's theme is going to be investing in our planet. And just to give a quick little recap of what that means is, with Salvation Army thrift store, they want to refresh, recycle, and restyle their items, and I thought this would be like a perfect fitting way to tie it into this video. I always love to shop at the thrift store, whether that be for home decor, clothing even, and I love to upcycle these things. Like whatever I can find new, I'll upcycle, tweak it a little bit, make it kind of my own aesthetic. And I also like to just do closet clean outs, just so that I can clear some things, declutter, and also everything that I no longer want, I'll donate it back to the thrift store, or I will give it as a hand-me-down to a friend or my mom. She actually likes to take my clothes that I don't want, and she'll like share it with her friends, and they'll just kind of pick and choose what they want. And so like I just think it's such a great way just to give back. I am doing a giveaway with them. You will have a chance to win a gift certificate as well as the art piece that I'm gonna be creating in today's video. I'm gonna leave all of the information to the giveaway and the details down in my description so you guys can check it out, and the rules for it as well. But yeah, let's get into it and let's go thrifting. I'm gonna hold it like this because I'm actually wearing the item. I went thrifting and I actually came home with some goodies, some good stuff, but this is the item that I ended up choosing because I love the colors, the pattern, texture, detail, everything. And yeah, okay. This is a long sleeve maxi dress. So beautiful. It kind of gives me like prairie field vibes. Prairie field meets free people vibes, if that makes sense. When I was in the dress section, I was just basically sifting through it, and then I saw a pop of, you know, this like print of this color, and I knew I needed to pick it up. This has like a vintage floral pattern print to it. It's so pretty, and it has just more of like autumnal colors. So this kind of does remind me of something that I would wear in autumn, but again, I love the color palette. This is something, it's more neutral, and I like my artwork pieces to be more neutral base. I'm not a big fan of using like crazy vibrant colors. I'm gonna paint what I feel and see based on this. So you just have like a color of some little gold here, which I'm gonna like use in the artwork, which I'm really excited for. The olive green, just a light pink peach color, and then also you have some wine red for the flower, and then the base, like the background, has like a more of like a beige toned color. So that's kind of the color palette that I'm working with. Hello, this is the next day. I feel like with this painting, I made two versions, completely different. One of them I just took a whole nother direction, and then I realized, like it didn't really go with like the dress behind me. So then I ended up repainting again, and then I ended up going with like this beigey pink tone color. So that's kind of what I came up with behind me. It's very simple. So I kind of just wanted to do my own thing and use like very minimal colors. For me personally, I like really simple and minimal. That's just kind of like my style. I don't like to use a crazy amount of color. So I have the gold in here, I have the beige tone, and then I have some pinks and a little bit of like a lighter pink. So I have a few colors from back there. I didn't add in any olive green. I felt like it would have made this piece more Christmassy, if that makes sense. So I just ended up leaving it. So now I'm about to finish this piece and actually draw in some veins with some more gold here. I feel like I'm doing a makeup tutorial, but with some more gold here. Just gonna paint and see what I come up with.